Hi guys, today I'm in the workshop and I just thought I'd share something with you that I've picked up recently. It's a cordless screwdriver, but it's not one that I could find any reviews on. So I thought I'd just make my own little mini review now in case anybody else is looking at buying one of these. It's a Bosch and it's called a Pushdrive. Unlike normal powered screwdrivers where you have to push a button, this one is more like the professional ones that you find in factories where I used to work in Pioneer, for example. I had them on the lines on a string. Basically, when you just make pressure on the end of the tip, the drive will engage, so it's a lot more natural to use. Plus the shape, as you can see, is a lot more natural. You do have a switch on the front, that's just for your direction. If you put it in the middle position, it locks it so you can use it as a conventional screwdriver. So just as a quick example, if I push on the end, there you go, you see. We'll come back to that in a minute. I'll just show you what else you get in the kit. You get a nice selection of various bits and a bit extension that can actually be removed. It's a little bit tight, but it can actually come out, so you get a nice few bits there, variations of torques and pauses, etc. And as I say, you get a nice extension piece as well. You get a USB charging lead, because that's how it charges. You'll find the USB charger lead just there. That incidentally is also your torque setting for, you know, how soon it will cut out. A USB charger, I just use a in socket one that I have currently. And underneath, your usual bits and pieces like a little leaflet in your user manual that's in about 15,000 different languages, which you'll never use. It's a, it's a screwdriver at the end of the day. You don't need to be a rocket scientist to understand how to use it. So there you go, I just thought I'd share that with you. As I say, it's a nice simple little machine. I'll show you it in action in a few moments. One other thing just to mention on it is you do have a charge indicator as well, so you can see how low. When it gets really low, it's just one light comes on and blinks when you push it. Put it in. Don't know if you saw that on camera, but it's there anyway. I looked at buying one of these and I couldn't find anybody posting about them, so I took a gamble, and yep, it's a good little tool to have. So I just thought I'd do a quick demonstration of how much quicker and easier this little device is to use. So if we just put a bit in the end that you need, the correct size, what we're going to do is we're going to reverse the screws out of the case on this tape that needs repair. So all you do is line up the screw, push, and it's done, it's out. Likewise, it's out not a lot quicker. Likewise, to put them back, just push it to forwards, line them up and push. There you go. Again, line them up. Is that not a lot quicker? As I say, I think it's quite a nice little unit. Compared to other ones, it's not a silly size. There's no buttons to push to get it to start or stop. Yes, it's a bit more expensive than the usual ones. I think these are around about £55–60, but in my mind, I think it's a good buy to have in your workshop. Well, I hope that helps anybody who's been looking at something like one of these. And as usual, please like and subscribe. Thanks.